Hi, in this tutorial we're going to continue where we left off in the last video with our nitrous oxide tank, and we're going to add a color as well as a decal to the face. So let's start with the color. Come up here to Edit Appearance. It's in this little menu here, and once you click on it, this menu is going to come up here on the side. And as you can see, there are some colors you can choose from. If I pick on the colors, it's going to automatically change my part color. And you can also come over here to the right side, and there are a bunch of different materials that you can choose from as well. So I have this blue anodized aluminum that I can click on, and I can drag that onto my part. And as you can see, that's just a color, a basic color, and I can come and click on any of these colors really to make it any color that I want. So we're going to select one of these blues, and we'll leave it like that for now. So let's hit OK. And from here, let's come up here to Edit Decal, and we're going to click on Edit Decal. And what you want to do first is you want to browse for your image file, whatever image file that might be. So come over here to Browse, and when you click on it, you can of course select that from one of your drives or your directory, from your desktop, wherever it is that you have it. Now I already brought in my decal, so I can come down to where it's saved, and I'm going to take my label and drag it onto my part. And it's going to come up the same way that it would come up if I typed in or browsed for that image file. So this is what's going to come up once you select your image file from Browse, wherever it is that it's saved. And now you can come up here to Mapping, and we're going to select this face. And once we select it, you're going to see that it propagates along the face. So from here, you're going to see that there's a size/orientation section here. Now, by default, fixed aspect ratio is selected. So if I click on these arrows, I can change the size, and it's going to update in a fixed aspect ratio. So I can make this smaller, I can make it larger. And one of the problems that I could see here is that the cylindrical face is kind of stretching my my image. So what I want to do is I want to kind of scale this down to a size that's acceptable. So maybe I want to bring it to let's say about here, and I'm going to click on fixed aspect ratio. I'm going to click on this check mark, and now it's not fixed. So I can click on this arrow, and I can make my label smaller, really only in one direction. And that's around the size that we want. I'm going to make this maybe just, I'm going to click on fixed aspect ratio again and make it a little bit smaller. And we're just about going to leave it at that. And that's how we add our label to our part in Solidworks. Thank you.